Hello everyone, today I'm delighted to introduce you to our brand new product, Home Theater TV LED Backlight Kit. Now, if you take a close look at our product, you will find that our product is well packed in a thin paper box and sealed with Scotch tape. As you open the package, you should make sure that the product contents are completed. Our LED backlight kit includes the following parts: 3 50 cm LED strip, 1 50 cm LED strip including the 5 50 cm USB cable. As you may notice that our LED strip has a 3M self-adhesive backing tape. You should remove the protective foil at the back of each strip and stick it to the back of your TV. There are also 3 30 cm 4-pin connector cables. Six 4-pin connection pieces plus a replacement, and a remote control with a 3V battery inserted, and instructions. When connecting the strips, you will also need the connection pieces and the connector cables to connect each strip. You should always keep in mind that all LED strips need to be similarly aligned, with all arrows pointing in the same direction. Otherwise, the circuit will not be closed. If you want the strip to be connected in a horizontal level or vertical level, you will need a connection piece. Firstly, you should insert the 4-pin side of the connection piece into one side of the LED strip, and insert the opposite side into another LED strip. If you want to connect a horizontal level strip with a vertical level strip, you will need 2 things: connection pieces and a connector cable. You should insert the pointing side of the connection piece into one side of the LED strip, and the opposite side insert it into one side of the connector cable. And then we can follow the same process. And insert it to the second cube, which will look like this. Our product is suitable for 33-inch to 60-inch TV set or similar. Take 33-inch TV for example. Each strip should be placed in each side of the TV. For larger TV, you should connect the 2 strips and put it in the upper side of the TV, and the other 2 LED strips to be put in the left side and the right side. The last step is to stick the LED strip in place. As we mentioned before, we can just remove the protective foil at the back of the LED strip and stick it at the back of your TV. And now we are finished the basic installation. And you should always keep in mind that you need to put the USB cable into the USB port of the TV. Next, I will show you how to use the remote control to adjust the brightness, static colors, and dynamic modes. Since our remote control is inserted with a 3V battery, once you put out the plastic pieces, the remote control is ready to use. Now you can click on the button to turn on the backlight. To adjust the brightness, you can click on the first button, the one with an arrow above, to increase the backlight. and the button with a narrow down to decrease the backlight. You can choose between 16 colors to suit your own needs for celebration party, romantic dating, or home theater. The buttons for color control are easy to find. There is a gray line to distinguish them from other functional gray buttons, so you can change the backlight into different colors according to each colorful button. If you want the red light, press the red button. The green button, and the blue light. If you prefer a dynamic lighting atmosphere, there are 4 dynamic models to choose from: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. When you click on the flash model, you can see that the backlight flashes from one color into different colors at a very fast speed. When you click on the strobe mode, the pattern of the light change is similar to the flash mode, however with a slower pace. In the fade model, as you might notice, the backlight is slowly fading out with color change, which is different from the strobe mode, as the color is slowly fading out of another. In the smooth model, the color of backlight changes smoothly compared to the fade mode. The backlight is fading out with color change at a much slower frequency. To turn off the backlight, all you need to do is to click on the off button. This is the end of video presentation for TBL-01 Home Theater TV LED backlight kit, and I wish you a pleasant experience with our brand new product.